Hello, I'm Delphine Archer, and this is my husband Ray, who is a wonderful gardener, or has learnt to love the garden and all our beautiful birds and butterflies. And we call this our peace garden and little bird heaven. So welcome to your time in our garden with us.
And I'm Ray, and this is Delphine. She's my bride of 42 years, and just last birthday I gave her a cup, the world's best wife. This is one of the lomandras, and it attracts several different butterflies, and it's a really nice plant.